Excellent. Now pass along. Really, really fast. Faster you do it, better. Perfect.
Do it again. A tornado.
It's a hurricane, not tornado.
There you go. Now you can go. So 5 breaths, please. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My favourite part of the science workshop was when we had the thunder drum and it made thunder sounds. And when we made the slime was super gluey at the start, but at the end it was like really, really fun to play with. It was really awesome actually.
My favourite part was when we made the slime. I never made it before and it felt very excited whilst we were making. We put lots of things in it to make the slime and we mixed it a lot.
Over the past few days, we've been helping the little children explore the beauty of nature. All the children have been planting insects, beetles, stuff like that, and they say it's amazing.
We've been helping the children so they can experience how it's to be in nature.
They enjoyed because we helped a lot and they found lots of new things about insects and they asked the creatures. They asked questions about how do they look properly and then we answered them how they look and what they do.
The curious children are always asking questions about the ladybugs, spiders, worms and slugs and all the other mini beasts that we can find around our property.
They really enjoyed finding insects and creatures. We hope that they carry on having the courage.
This was fun because it's actually kind of fun to be the team.